Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Exmo Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from the Exmo exchange to your Phantom Wallet for better security or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Phantom Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app or extension and create a wallet. It's user-friendly and essential for handling your assets securely. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Withdrawal section. This is usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Look for the Bitcoin option. Step 2. Select Bitcoin as the currency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. In 2025, fees could vary based on blockchain congestion, so plan accordingly. Step 3. Now, for the key part, enter your Phantom Wallet address. Open your Phantom Wallet, go to the Receive section, and copy the Bitcoin address. Double-check that it's correct because Phantom is primarily for Solana assets, but you can receive Bitcoin via bridge tokens or specific integrations. Paste this address into the Exmo withdrawal form. Step 4. Review the details. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Exmo might require two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. Once you've confirmed, sit tight. The transaction could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Bitcoin network. Keep an eye on your Phantom Wallet for the funds to appear. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like hardware wallets if possible. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Exmo to Phantom Wallet in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.